Hi friends, it's Epic Junk Food and Candy Fun, and today we are so excited because we have a whole collection of surprise eggs. This is going to be so much fun. I'm going to start with this one. It's a green egg. Look who we found. It's Lego Batman. Now we're going to do this surprise egg. It's a little monster puppet. Hello. That's so fun. Let's try one of these little surprise eggs. It's SpongeBob the pirate. We have a big fat blue egg here. It's a bouncy ball. Here's a purple egg. It's Captain America. Let's try this green egg. This is a Star Wars Stormtrooper. This is a pink surprise egg. Fun. We have a black fuzzy spiky ball. It's soft, but a little prickly too. Here's a purple egg. We have a car. Here's a blue egg. A little green ninja. We have a yellow egg. It's a frog, a purple frog. He hops. Here we have a blue egg. It sounds like it's empty. Here's another frog. This frog's green. Here's a yellow egg. It's a basketball eraser. It looks like you can put it on the end of a pencil. Here's a large green egg. It's a puzzle cube, and it looks like it's the Toy Story characters. Let's open this up. It's the Toy Story characters. Here's Buzz. This is so fun. There's Woody. Here is an orange egg. It rattles when I shake it. It's a Spiderman top. Spinning for a long time. I like that top. Here's a blue surprise egg. It's a little Spider-Man. Here's a yellow egg. Here's a ghost, and it's not even Halloween. Here's an orange egg. Sounds empty inside. Here's a fly. Bzz, 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 bzz. Bzz, 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 bzz. Well, thanks for buzzing by. Thanks for watching our surprise egg video. We had lots of fun, and we hope you did too. This is Epic Junk Food and Candy Fun, where we love taste testing junk food and candy and playing with toys. If you like this video, please click subscribe and we'll make more. Thanks for watching, friends.